Hi dear student, how are you? Are you okay? In this video we review chapter 7 lesson 1 about evaluating expressions. How can we use the order of operation to evaluating expressions, students? For example, we have S minus C minus A. I give you the value of all variables. You need to replace all variables with the value of the variable. S equal to 905 and C equal to 327, A equal to 50. After that, by using order of operation, we subtract from left to right. After that, the last steps we use 905 minus 327 equal to 778. After that, we have write down the remaining part, student. 778 minus 70 equal to 728. And we have example to say evaluate for x. It means 4 times x because we haven't nothing. It means we have multiply or time. Plus 7 for x equal to 3, 2, 1 and 0. We need to replace all value or value of the variable or value of x. The first time we write it x2 equal to 3, replace x with 3, students. 4x plus 7 equal to 4 times 3 because x equal to 3 plus 7. 4 times 3 equal to 12 plus 7 equal to 19. After that, I say x equal to 2. X equal to 2 what? Equal to 4 times 2 plus 7. 4 times 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 7 equal to 15. We find the value. If x equal to 2, the value of the expression equal to 15. And after that, we have x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, it means 4 times 1 plus 7. 4 times 1 equal to 4 plus 7 equal to 11. And I say and 0. If x equal to 0, 4 times 0 plus 7 equal to 0 plus 7 equal to 7, students. And we have more examples, student. In this example, we have evaluate 2. We have a bracelet A plus B with exponent to divide by C for A equal to 5, B equal to 4 and C equal to C. We need to replace all variable by the numbers we have. Because A equal to 5, I write it 5. Because B equal to 4, I write it 4. And because C equal to 3, I write it 3 from place C, students. The first time, by ordering of operation, we study about order of operation. We need to operate inside parentheses, evaluating power of powers, and multiply and divide from left to right. After that, add and subtract from left to right. Because we have parentheses, we need to operate the parentheses. 5 plus 4 equal to 9 because we have exponent. After that, we need to clear exponent. 9 with power 2, it means 9 times 9. 9 times 9 equal to 81. And after that, we have multiply and we need to write all steps, students. If we haven't, if you have any step, we need to write down. But by order of operation, the first time operate inside parentheses. After that, clear exponent. After that, we have multiply or divide from left to right and add or subtract from left to right. Now we have multiply from left. 2 times 81 equal to 162. After that, we write the part of remain. 162 divided by 3 equal to 54. In this lesson, we haven't equal, students. We haven't equal in expression, but in equation we have expression, students. And we need to I solve many practices in this lesson. We need to review all lessons, all practices, students. In this example, also replace the x with the variable. Place x equal to 2. And I think that's enough for this lesson. This is important, students. This lesson is so important. All lessons important because we study all lessons in exam more important. I think that's the last video. I hope to see you in the exam. Goodbye, students.